Okay guys, I just thought I'd do a quick video on this Mazda CX7. I just got a Junsun head unit off eBay, 170 bucks, not too bad. Everything's pretty straightforward, taking the dash out and all that. But the one thing I did come across was, once I got it all hooked up, and actually first is that this surround that comes with the head unit is a little bit tight, so you'll have to trim up the top here and around the sides to try and fit it into the actual I'll show you, fit it into this, which goes up there. Sorry about that. So you'll have to trim it up a bit. I just made these holes a little bit bigger so you could push it up. So you just drill these out a little bit lower and you can push it up a bit, and it seemed to fit not too bad. Once I got it all in, the only thing I had trouble with was getting sound out of it. So I did a bit of research on the internet and etc. So when you've got this big harness here, that plugs straight in, but there'll be one loose wire that comes out of that red one, and it should say amp connect or something in those regards, usually the grey one, and that didn't go anywhere. And also on the actual back of this one there was a pink wire that wasn't going anywhere either. So to have these Bose systems turned on, they've got their own amplifier, so you need to have like its own remote wire to turn the amp on. So that one there and this little pink one, I nipped the ends off and put them together, and bingo, we got sound. So if you guys have any trouble in future, that's a pretty good reference to give it a shot at least. Anyway, cheers for that.